All right, I'm going to show you how to get on the Amplify app so that you can access the stories that we are reading during ELA time. You're going to open Clever, then you can click on our page, go down here and click on Amplify. Click on Library, then go to Read, because that's the unit that we're on right there. Then you're going to go up to the top right here and click on those three little lines, and then here's the table of contents. You're going to find which story we're reading. So I'm looking for A Good Lie. So I'm going to click on A Good Lie, which is right here. Then I have to close it with this X. Then here's the text. If I want to listen to it, then I just press that little speaker right there, and you can listen to the story.